Alright, okay guys, welcome back. For people who don't know me, I'm Star. I'm a graphic designer working freelance and also a design student. And today I'm gonna talk about how to become more professional, or how to even get better at something. Really, the point that I learned throughout the journey of my creative journey is that really, to become a professional, you have to just act professionally. I mean, it sounds really obvious, but really, it's really that simple. You just have to manifest and treat yourself as a professional, and then you become professional. My tips for this is that you have to look into the field of whatever you're doing and see what the professional are doing. You know what I mean? Because after you know what professionals are doing, you can actually like copy them. I mean, and don't get me wrong about the copying and plagiarism and all that kind of stuff. There's a way to steal like an artist, steal like a designer, or steal, it's just, there's a concept that Austin Kellen talked about in his book, Steal Like an Artist, is that we are not even original, right? So our mothers, we are born, my face is a combination of my mother.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Combinations. So obviously it's not that we can create something original. Remember this, right? Nothing is new under the sun. So why like struggle to come up with your original idea when you can see other people's work and try to bring this stuff and dissect stuff and combine? It's mostly like a collage, right? Let's say history, let's say the religions and cultures are a mixture of collages of many different things. There is no, if you like study art history, all that kind of stuff, you're gonna know like stuff isn't just happen out of the blue, right? Because there's always origin from everything, so be aware of that. So basically what I'm trying to say, TLDR of this video, is that just go with if you want to be professional at something, just look into the field of what those people are doing, and then try and see and try to pick up like exactly, try and copy the master. Copying the master is really essential, right? The reason why like I feel like I improve a lot in my work is that I just look into the field of what professional fields do, and I try to mostly like copy them in a way. I mean, it's not like copy, but like steal more of like an artist way. And I really recommend, if you're interested in this concept, to read Steal Like an Artist. Austin Kellen explains it well. So yeah, I'm not gonna ask you to go hit the subscribe button. No. I'm gonna ask you to subscribe this channel only. I'm not gonna ask you to press the like button. Don't do it. I mean, if you want to do it, please do, but just go down, click subscribe button, and yeah, I will be providing a lot more later. Alright, peace. At the end of the day, you're the star. Peace out.